You are going to love the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.